What's up, you guys? It's Professor NFT again. So like always, before I get into it, remember, this is not financial advice, and always, and I mean always, do your own research. All right, you guys. So I got more NFTs for you guys today. First one is Bulldog Billionaires. Okay, so we go ahead and hop on their Twitter. We see they have around 13.4k followers. So I've actually been looking at this project for a while now. I think like a month ago, they actually had around 1k followers. So you could see their team actually did a really great job with their marketing, as you could see with the amount of followers they gained. So on their website, they do list some cool benefits as well. So they list passive income, they list auto staking. So that's something you always want to see with a project nowadays. Free NFT drops, free giveaways. So pretty much, if what they're saying is true here and the team seems to follow through, it's pretty much free money in my eyes. And who wants to say no to free money? Am I right? So they do have milestone rewards as well. So pretty much, let's say if all of them get minted, pretty much one randomly selected mint will get 10 SOL. If only, let's say, 500 get minted, they're going to host a meme contest. The best meme gets 5 SOL. And pretty much, etc. So let's go ahead and hop on their Discord here. So this is actually my server. Where is their Discord? So their Discord is right here. So as you could see in their website as well, they actually did put a good effort in it as well. The team is doxed themselves as well. So let me go ahead and show you their Discord. So the general chat's always going off. So that's always a good sign of a strong community. And one thing that I like as well. So let me go ahead and show you on their announcements here. So pretty much what this is pretty much that they went through a private audit with Radrugs. The result was an A+. So what Radrugs is pretty much, Radrugs is an NFT project on Solana. So it pretty much aims to expose scam projects to create more safe and welcoming ecosystem for Solana investors. So I invite you guys to go ahead and check this NFT project out, Bulldog Billionaires. As you see as here, security leaderboard. There you see Bulldog Billionaires as well. So go ahead, check them out. They look legit, but like I always say, always research yourself as well, and only lose money you're willing to lose. All right, so the next one I got for you guys is Teddy Bear Clubs. So let me go ahead and hop on the website as well. So Teddy Bear Club, you see their art's pretty cool. Let me show you their supply as well. So their supply is around, it's 888. So this is real low, and public mint is at 0.88 SOL. So it actually comes out on January 20th. So that with that supply and mint price, it has potential to be a good flip, in my opinion. I think the first day this is gonna pump for sure. So make sure you guys do your research on this one. So let me go ahead, show you their white paper here. So their white paper shows Teddy Bears Clubs are an exclusive collection of 888 teddy bear NFTs on Solana, backed by a team of NFT collectors, community builders, and artists. The project brings a fresh design to Solana, and here is pretty much their roadmap. Phase 1, Teddy Bear Club launch, club meeting and DAO, club community fund, resurrection airdrop, and token and staking. So go ahead and check them out. I'm gonna put a link to their Discord in the description below. So that's all for me today, you guys. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well, and join the Discord, Professor NFT's Discord. More and people are joining, so I'm actually going to be more active throughout this Discord as well. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.